The future is being written in lines of code. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's here. It's evolving at an electrifying pace. But to unlock its full potential, we need a spark. We need a catalyst that can propel us into a new era of intelligence. This is where advanced micro-devices, also known as AMD and HUMAIN, enter the stage. They are joining forces in a groundbreaking partnership. Together they aim to build the global AI infrastructure of tomorrow. A future where artificial intelligence is not just a privilege of the few, but a resource accessible to all. Imagine a collaboration so ambitious, so transformative, that it reshapes the technological landscape. That is the promise of the $10 billion partnership between AMD and HUMAIN. This isn't just about building bigger computers, it's about building a brighter future. They are on a mission to democratize AI. Their vision is to empower businesses, scientists, and innovators worldwide with the tools to harness the power of artificial intelligence. This partnership is a testament to the belief that the true potential of AI can only be unlocked through collaboration and shared knowledge. The numbers are staggering. AMD and HUMAIN have set their sights on deploying 500 megawatts of pure AI computing power within the next 5 years. But they're not stopping there. Their ambition knows no bounds. By early 2026, they aim to achieve multi-exaflop capacity. To put that into perspective, 1 exaflop represents a billion calculations per second. That's more processing power than all the smartphones in the world combined. It's a level of computational might that will unlock new frontiers in scientific discovery, medical research, and technological innovation. AMD is no stranger to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They've been at the forefront of the computing revolution for decades. They're bringing their full arsenal of cutting-edge technology to bear on this ambitious project. Their Instinct trademark GPUs are designed to accelerate AI workloads, delivering unparalleled performance and efficiency. Their EPIC trademark CPUs provide the computational muscle needed to handle massive datasets. And their Ryzen trademark AI processors bring artificial intelligence to the edge, enabling smarter devices and applications. This is a symphony of silicon, orchestrated to power the future of AI. While AMD provides the technological firepower, HUMAIN is laying the groundwork for this global AI infrastructure. This partnership is a testament to the synergy between cutting-edge technology and visionary planning. AMD's processors and GPUs are the engines driving this revolution, but it is HUMAIN's meticulous planning and execution that are turning these possibilities into reality. They are the architects of this digital metropolis. With a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of the digital landscape, HUMAIN's team is crafting the blueprints for a future where AI seamlessly integrates into every facet of our lives. Their designs are not just about functionality but also about creating a harmonious balance between technology and the environment. Their expertise lies in building and managing hyperscale data centers, the beating heart of the modern internet. These centers are the nerve centers of our digital world, housing vast amounts of data and ensuring that it is processed and delivered at lightning speed. HUMAIN's engineers are adept at optimizing these facilities to handle the ever-increasing demands of data processing and storage. HUMAIN's commitment to sustainability is woven into the very fabric of this project. They are not just building for today but are also thinking about the future. By integrating renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, they are reducing the carbon footprint of these massive data centers. This forward-thinking approach ensures that as our reliance on digital infrastructure grows, we are not compromising the health of our planet. They understand that the future of technology must go hand in hand with the preservation of our planet. This philosophy is evident in every aspect of their work, from the materials they choose to the innovative cooling systems they implement. By prioritizing sustainability, HUMAIN is setting a new standard for the industry, proving that technological advancement and environmental stewardship can coexist. They're pioneering new approaches to data center design and operation, utilizing renewable energy sources and minimizing their environmental impact. Their innovative designs include energy-efficient cooling systems that drastically reduce power consumption and smart layouts that maximize space and efficiency. HUMAIN's vision is clear: to build a digital future that is as sustainable as it is advanced, ensuring that the benefits of technology are enjoyed by generations to come. The true power of AI lies not in its ability to replace us but in its potential to empower us. AMD and HUMAIN recognize this fundamental truth. They envision a future where access to artificial intelligence is no longer a luxury, but a right. Their collaboration aims to make advanced AI capabilities available to everyone, from startups with groundbreaking ideas to researchers pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. This is about leveling the playing field, giving everyone the opportunity to shape the future of AI. AMD is not just participating in the AI revolution, they're driving it. Over the past few years, AMD has made significant strides in the field of artificial intelligence, positioning themselves as a formidable force. Their innovative approach and relentless pursuit of excellence have set them apart from their competitors. Their commitment to this partnership is a testament to their belief in the transformative power of artificial intelligence. AMD's collaborations with leading tech companies and research institutions have paved the way for groundbreaking advancements. These partnerships are not just about business, they're about pushing the boundaries of what is possible with AI technology. Investors are taking notice. AMD's stock is surging as they solidify their position as a major player in the AI market. The financial world is abuzz with AMD's impressive performance, and analysts are predicting even greater growth in the coming years. This surge is a clear indication of the confidence that the market has in AMD's vision and capabilities. Their upcoming MI350 chip is set to be a game-changer, offering unparalleled memory capacity and bandwidth. This chip is designed to meet the ever-increasing demands of AI applications, providing the speed and efficiency needed to handle complex computations. The MI350 is not just an upgrade, it is a revolutionary leap forward in AI hardware. It has the potential to outperform even the most advanced competitors, signaling a seismic shift in the balance of power within the AI industry. The MI350 chip is expected to set new standards for performance and efficiency, making it a highly sought-after component in the tech world. As AMD continues to innovate and push the envelope, the future of AI looks incredibly promising with them at the helm. This isn't just about processing power or market share, it's about something far more profound. It's about the future of humanity. AMD and HUMAIN are not just building an infrastructure, they're building a bridge to a future where AI helps us solve the world's most pressing challenges. Where diseases are eradicated, climate change is reversed, and poverty becomes a distant memory. This is the promise of AI. This is the future that AMD and HUMAIN are striving to create. We stand at the cusp of a new era, an era where the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve are being pushed further than ever before. The dawn of this new age is marked by unprecedented advancements in technology, science, and human collaboration. An era where artificial intelligence reshapes our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Picture a world where AI not only assists us in our daily tasks, but also helps us solve some of the most complex challenges facing humanity. From healthcare to climate change, AI is poised to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. The collaboration between AMD and HUMAIN is a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and collaboration. This partnership is not just about technological advancement, it's about creating a future where technology serves humanity in the most profound ways. Engineers and scientists from both organizations are working tirelessly to develop solutions that will benefit society as a whole. This is our generation's moonshot. Just as the Apollo missions inspired a generation to look to the stars, our current endeavors aim to inspire future generations to dream bigger and reach further. The spirit of exploration and discovery is alive and well, driving us to achieve what once seemed impossible. It's a bold leap into the unknown, driven by a shared belief in the power of technology to improve the human condition. Every new device, every innovative solution brings us one step closer to a world where technology and humanity coexist in harmony. The gadgets and tools we develop today will shape the way we live, work, and interact with each other in the future. The future is unwritten, but with partnerships like this, we are writing the first lines of a new and exciting chapter in human history. Together, we are laying the foundation for a world where innovation knows no bounds, and the possibilities are limitless. As we move forward, let us embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, knowing that our collective efforts will pave the way for a brighter, more prosperous future for all. Don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important AI update. See you in the next one.